Okay, guys, I'm going to show you the easiest way to trade binary options, Forex, and crypto. Okay, so you're going to learn a very simple process, right? If you master this, guys, and you can use this every day to make money online. Okay, before I continue, let me just put a disclaimer. What I'm sharing with you guys is not financial advice, and if you need that, seek that from professional financial advisors. What I'm sharing with you is my experience. I've been doing this for many years. Some of us have been online since 1999. Okay, there's a lot of people on this webinar right now. I'm going to keep it very, very short. Okay, before you know it, it is gone and you have learned this strategy. Okay, so if you want to come back and watch this short clip as many times as you can, that would do you a lot of good. Okay, because I'm going to just zoom past this really quickly. So subscribe to this channel. Okay, if you're watching the review on YouTube, subscribe to the Smart Wolf Club channel. And if you want to work with us, you can join the Smart Wolf Club community. The links are in the description. Okay, and if you can't wait, you have a burning question, you can join our Telegram group. There's a link in the description. If you don't like Telegram, I know there's people who don't like Telegram. You can join the WhatsApp group and ask your questions. Okay. Now you got so many choices, right? All right. Let's move on here. Okay. Now, first, I'm going to show you with binary options what you need to do. Okay. I am using Pocket Options. Okay. There are many binary options platforms out there. I use up to 6 of them. The reason I do use up to 6 is because if one is down or messing up or holding my funds, then I can jump into another one. So this one here, we just opened this for one of my private students. You can see there's only $85. Okay, she's trying to put more money here so she can learn how to trade with real accounts. Okay, we've been trading on the demo account first. So now she's just putting some money here so we can start learning how to handle the emotions that come with the real accounts. Okay, it's a totally different ball game when you're trading on a demo account and when you're trading with a real account, because the emotions, the psychology is totally different. But if you follow our training, okay, the risk management, you should have no problem. Okay, so right, so here I'm going to show you. This is, I was showing her one of the Forex trades using the strategy that I'm going to show you guys. Now you need only these 2 indicators here. You need the volume, okay, right there. This is the volume, and you can come here where it says indicators, and you can just type volume, and that's the first one right here. You can favorite that, okay, and then the second one is the MA. And you click this twice, and the first MA is the 50. Okay, when you look at it here, you can go to the settings, and here you go where it says style. We put it red. Inputs is 50. Okay, the style is red, and then I use the second line here to make it thick enough so I can see it. And then the second MA is the 200. Okay, so when the blue, which is the 50, crosses the red, it indicates that the market is in a bull run, guys. Okay, going up, going up, going up. Okay, very important, going up. So what are you going to be looking for? You're going to be looking for call options or trades going up, going up. Okay, so it indicates that the market is going up. Now you can use the same strategies to trade your crypto. So for example, here we can come here and look for the BTC, we can go here and look for crypto, select crypto there, and then just type BTC USD or BTC USDT. That's BTC against the US dollar. You can do USDT. There you go. BTC against the, and you can have different, what are they called? Different platforms, so exchanges. So let's say Bybit. If you have a Bybit account, you can use that, and it's the spot trading. So you log on to your Bybit account and go to spot trading. Now, if you don't have a Bybit account, I put the links in the description. If you don't have TradingView, again, it's free. You can use the free account, but if you want more features, you can subscribe to the pro features. Okay. So there's an option there to go for professional trading view subscription. It gives you more features, guys. So if you're going to take your trading seriously, you want to go for that. Okay. So basically here it's telling us that the market is going up. I have this on a day chart. You can bring this down to, if you're a scalper, you can bring that down to whatever time frame you want. Okay. 15 minutes, 30 minutes. All right. And it's showing you that this is a 30-minute chart. If you want the 4-hour chart, you can see it's showing you that the market is actually going down. You can see that. So I'll be looking for, if I bring my tool here, trade tool, and where do you find this trade tool? Right here on your left. You can click on that and just move that. So if you want to take a short position, because at this time here, the market shows us that we should be taking short positions. So I'll probably be taking short positions. Okay. So you can do that here. You can bring the trading tool for the short position. So bring that in here, and you can see we can take a short position here, and we can easily calculate our risk to reward ratio right here, guys. You can see how easy it is to take a trade. So we put that there. And of course, I advise you to take a 1 to 3 minimum. Okay. Some people go up to 6, it doesn't matter, but at least a minimum of 1 to 3 risk ratio. Right now it says the ratio is 1. Okay. So we want to go extend this to 1 to 3. And risk ratio here, we can extend that, and we can put that there and see what the market is doing for us. Okay, guys, and then you can jump in for the trades with that type of risk reward ratio. We can expand that and see if we can find a good setup for us to take our trades. Okay, so going back to the this was for Forex. Let's go back. This was Forex and crypto. Here you can chat using TradingView. Okay. So if you want Forex, you can come there. If you want indices, stocks. So we train all this in the Smart Wolf Club. Okay. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe and you can get all these free trainings. All right. So let's go back to the binary options. Again, we're going to come here. All right. The indicators should be right there. Okay, this doohickey here that looks like parallel lines. So we are going to have, in this case here, we don't have volume, okay, on pocket options, but we can have the moving averages. And I'm going to show you a pro hack that you can use to make money at will on binary options. Your winning rate is going to be really high. And of course, make sure you win more than you lose. Risk to reward ratio has to be high. Okay, so you can click this twice, the moving average. So we clicked thrice, so remove one, and the first one is going to be our 50, and the style is red, 2 pixels, and save. Okay, that's the moving average. And the second one, we are going to make it 200. Okay, and the style is blue, guys. Okay, and 2 pixels. Okay, pretty easy, right? Damn easy. And you can see right now, what does this tell you, guys? The blue is down here on this pair, AUD USD OTC, and you can see it's starting to move down the 200. So here it shows that the market is going down. It's below 200. So we are looking for, what are we looking for? We are basically looking for sell options, the red. Okay, we are looking for sell options. So what I do here is I use the moving averages as support and resistance. Okay, so in this case, I will bring my line. Okay, draw the lines. Okay, my horizontal line here, and just bring one up here, and I am going to move this up to that point. Okay, and I'll make this color red. Okay, and I'll make it thick. And if I can thicken this line, let's put it 3 pixels or 4 pixels, thick enough. There you go, 5 pixels, maximize. Okay, and then I'll look for my blue line. okay, where the candles touch the blue line. This is where the candle touched the red line, and where the candles are going to touch the blue line, I'm going to use that as my, they have not really touched here. Let's try another pair. Let's see. Let's find another pair. Let's see if we can find a good setup for you guys. This is a pro hack that I'm telling you guys. If you learn this, you will be in the money all the time. But you have to be patient, because sometimes the setups don't happen right away. So you have to be extremely patient. Okay, you can see here they have crossed, and the moving average 200, the red one, is above the blue. It's indicating that the market is going down, and you can see that it's actually going down. Okay, so right here we could use this as our support right there. Okay, and we put we could put this as our support, and we're going to put our line here. We can put a support line there. Let's see, we can go there we go, horizontal, and we can put a support line right where the candles, the lowest point, that's the lowest point right there, and they touch here and they touch here. So the areas where the candles actually crisscross, you can see that. So we can have our green there, and then we can also draw another one, and this is our, they touched there. Okay, so that's our red and that's our green. So this one, let me color this red, and I'll tell you in a minute why I'm putting this red. And then this one, we're going to put this our green, and we're going to make it thick. Okay, so if the candles come down to this point, and then the candle hits that line and it bounces back, then we're going to take a sell option, a call option. If the candles comes down here and hits that, we're going to take a call option. Okay, so in a case like that, we are using the moving averages as our support and resistance. However, as you can see, that takes a long time, and most people are so impatient. So what we can do is we can go backwards and look at the historical data. We do see here they crisscrossed there, and you can see when it hit that line, they started coming down. So this is a very strong resistance area. Let's see if we can find a support line earlier on. You can see, go backwards, all right, go backwards. All right, so we missed that. Okay, here we're supposed to get in. There we go. So we're going to take now the timing here was not correct. Sorry. The time here should be at least 1 minute, and the candle has actually gone beyond our, this is the line where they crossed. Okay, so if the candle comes and touches that line, then we can go up. So we just wait until it comes down here. If it touches that line, that means it's green. We're going to take a call option. If it comes up here and touches the red, then we're going to take a sell option. So all you have to do is to monitor that these lines actually go up. Okay. The candles are 1 minute. Okay, these bars here are 1 minute time frame, and the trade time could be 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, so you can adjust it according to your win rate. Okay. So we can wait for this to come down. If it touches this line, we can just be ready to take a call option. and I'm only trading with 1% of my account. Okay, this is about 1%, $12. This account is, it has to touch this bar here, so we have to be very, very patient and wait for it to touch before we jump in. Yeah, this seems to be a strong resistance here, I mean strong support here, because you can see this is where the last bar crisscrossed the blue line here, the moving average 50. So we are waiting for that to touch that line, and we can jump into the trade. Okay, there, I think, I hope I'm not late. Oh, I might be late. All right, we're in the money, guys, so let's just see if we win. We prove the point, and you guys can go and practice this, because I don't want to keep this too long. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be sharing this high-tech pro. These are only pro strategies. Okay, this is what the pros don't share with you guys. They get your head spinning and you lose and blow your account. Booyah. So we want that, guys. Okay, so go ahead and learn, practice this, rewatch this video, bookmark this video, whatever you have to do. Share this with your tribe, guys, and I will see you in the next one. And but before I leave, I'm a believer, so let us say a word of prayer. Father, those who are going to watch this video, I pray that they shall be successful when they implement what I teach in this video. Okay? In the power, the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen. Now, guys, if you don't have an account to trade binary options, pocket options, the link is in the description. IQCENT, I use so many of them. There's Quotex, and all the links are in the description. Go ahead and open. The demo accounts are free, so you can start practicing, guys. Okay, and then follow along as we go. We share our trading. So you see why this works so well all the time. And now you have to keep shifting your lines. Okay, so for example, now the market is gone. What I could do here is I could move this down here. I can see the blue is right here. Okay, so I'll put the blue here, and then I can see, if we go backwards historically, you can see this seems like it's going down. Okay, so it's more like a downward trend, and it's below the 200, so you'll be looking for a sell option here. Okay, so you could use this as another support line right here, where this green bar crisscrosses the moving average 200. You can use that as another support line, and you can wait until the candle comes there. So let's say if we draw another line, we go here, get our line tool, and draw another horizontal line here. I can bring a horizontal line here, right there, you can see there, and then I'm going to make this green. Okay, it's green. Okay, and we are going to make it thick. All right, so I'll be patient and wait until the bars reach down here. If the bar comes and hits this here, then this becomes my, and then this one, I'll change the color of that to red. Okay, so now if the bars reach here, I'm going to take a sell option. I'll go down. Okay, I can wait. If the bar comes here, I can take a sell option, and hopefully I enter in good time. Okay, there we go. And let's see if we're going to make the money. It might cross the bar, so we might lose this one. If you lose this one, then you just be patient and wait for the next opportunity. Okay, all right. Yeah, you can see this went beyond the bar, so we're going to use that one. But we could draw another one right here. See here, there's another crisscrossing here. Did you see that? There's another crisscrossing here. We could use that as we could draw another line here. I don't know if I'll be quick enough to do that. We can draw another line right there. There's a crisscrossing right here, there. So we could use that as our okay. If it comes down there, we go up. Okay, this becomes our okay. So now we're in the money because this becomes our support line. So you have to keep changing them. So this becomes our support line, and this becomes our resistance line. Okay, so that's all you have to do, man. So, and we earn the money. Okay, so we're going to recoup our loss and make some profit. So that's how it is. So you just make sure you win more than you lose, and boom, there we did. We just won that one. And then when it hits that, we're going to go down. Okay, and if we lose, we just go to the next one. And we could double this, so some little martingale, we could apply a little martingale there and be in profit. So there we go. It's gone past. That's okay. It's gone past, so we can move. You can see here there's some little resistance. So this strategy needs a bit of practice for you guys, okay? So, and then you have to apply the martingale, which we're going to teach in our next video, new training session, show you how exactly you can do. That's why I'm using a demo account here, so that my student who is working with me one-on-one can practice this. But this works so well. If you master this pro strategy, you are going to be in the money most of the time, and you're going to grow your account exponentially without your belief. Okay, it's gonna amaze you. It's gonna be way beyond what you believe, man. Okay, so thank you and have a good day, guys.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.